Okay, our recording has been started. Okay, we are now taking conclusion. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi.
Yes,
Can you listen me?
yes, I am listening to you. But we are studying and first my opinion, my brother, Tanjil brother, will ask my question, ask me some questions, ask me 7 questions. I answered this.
Okay.
After finishing this, I will ask you. Okay. So, Tanjil brother, are you ready to listen to me?
Yeah, I'm ready. So can we start now?
So we can start now.
Okay. So tell me about yourself.
Okay. I'm Hasan and I am from Chicago, Bangladesh. Recently, I have graduated from IIEC, that is International Science Chicago. My major subject was electrical and electronic engineering. I am self-motivated and a cheerful person. I am enthusiastic about IT skills and programming. For this, recently I have done a course from Programming Hero, which is related to web development. By doing this course, I have developed my programming skills. Recently, I have done some projects like mobile market, which is like e-commerce site, and visual engineering, which is service related project, and many other programming related projects which I have recently done. So, next question.
Okay. Thank you. So tell us about what you learned recently.
I have done recently a course with Programming Hero. Here I have learned HTML, CSS, payment CSS, and Express.js, MongoDB, Node.js, and React.js, and I have done many projects with this vision technology. So I have recently done this project.
Okay. Thank you. So now we can go for next question. Okay, tell me about how does React work?
Okay. React virtual DOM. By creating the DOM, React create a memory. It know when user interacts interact with browser, then it know where to change where to change the main DOM. Then it compare to newly interacted function. Then after reconciliation, the after reconciliation, the change is in main DOM.
Okay. So what are React hooks?
Okay. These hooks are in the real estate. These hooks are the some function which is recently added in React.js. After 16.8 version, React.js comes new function which is React hook. React hook before 16.8 version in React we use class, but in modern technology we use React hook. React hook is used for without class. It means assets and props and many other values in components.
Okay. So now tell me what are props in React?
Okay. Props are mainly objects. When we send data or value in parent component to child component, then we send this object, and this is nothing but this is props.
Okay. Now tell me, what are the advantages of using React hooks?
Okay. In modern JavaScript, in modern React there, we don't use classes. We use React hook. So React hook is used for uh, exception with exception. So we don't use life cycle method like as classes. So code complexity in classes, we see that code complexity is more in class components. So this complexity has been lessened by React hook.
Okay. So now I can ask you the last question. What do you mean by asynchronous API?
Okay, asynchronous API. Okay, we know React.js is work with Node.js. In Node.js function, uh, we use asynchronous API. That means uh, asynchronous API that means non-blocking API. That means if one API is called, then it is loading for many times. Then even loop can it another queue, and after loading all the API, then then the loading API is called in real DOM. This asynchronous means not synchronous, not serially a function is called in Node.js.
Okay. Okay, Hasan Bhai, thank you.
Okay, I think my question has been finished.
Not done.
Brother, I have to share you that my first question is about yourself. So tell me something about yourself.
Acha. I am Abusale Muhammad Tanjil from Borishal. I have completed Bachelor of Science in Mathematics from National University. I have been learning web development based on React.js for 6 months. I know Node.js, MongoDB. I also used the Express.js framework and I created several projects. I made 2 projects where I used CRUD operations, and in future I want to learn Material UI, React Native, and Redux.
Okay,
That's all about that.
tell me something about your latest project.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Okay, I will question again. Tell me about your latest project. About your
Project. Okay. I built a Monastruck project that is relevant to second-hand bike selling. On this site, I have implemented 3 types of roles. While registering, by default, you will be registered as a buyer. Otherwise, if you want to sell a bike, you can register by selecting the role of seller. A buyer can book a product or report a product to admin. And in this site, there are a dashboard. Buyer can see only his dashboard. Seller can see seller's dashboard, and the admin who can see admin dashboard. Then after reporting, when buyer reports the product or book a product, the buyer can see on dashboard his my product option, and he can see all of his products that he booked. And a seller can add a product or update a product, delete his product, and admin can verify a seller or delete any user, including buyer or seller. He can access all of them, and he can see the reported products which a buyer reported to admin. He can access those. And for authentication, I used Firebase authentication, and I used JSON Web Token for securing my APIs. And also there is a payment option which is still incomplete. I'm working on it. I will fix it soon.
Okay. Okay. You are telling about your latest project, which is called full stack project. Okay. So now I will question from about the MERN stack development. My first question here: what is MERN stack?
MERN stack. MERN is a web development framework. It contains MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js as its components.
Okay. Okay. Now my second question is: what is props in React?
Props are inputs to React components. They are single values or objects containing a values
Okay.
that are containing values that are passed to React components. They pass data from parent component to child components.
Okay. Now my third question is: how does React work?
React creates a virtual DOM when the state changes in component. Firstly, a diffing algorithm which identifies that the change in virtual DOM. And the second step is reconciliation. When the user, can we go for the next question?
I have realized. Okay. Now my fourth question is about what is JSX?
Sorry?
What is JSX in React?
Oh, JSX. JSX, the full form of JSX is JavaScript XML. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript and comes with full power of JavaScript. Though it looks like HTML, but it's not HTML. It's actually JavaScript XML.
Okay, good answer. Okay, my final question about MERN stack. What are the higher order components?
Higher order components. Higher order components is a function that takes a component and return a new component.
Okay. Okay. I think our question has been finished, and my question me seven question, and I also question him seven question. We are something nervous, and I think our Tanjil brother also in my question after answering, but my grandmother was present here, so I am also very nervous. So thank you, Tanjil brother, and nice to meet you. And I think we will try our next. We will try better our next time. Okay.
Yeah. We'll have to try more and more.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Good morning.
Okay, brother. Thank you. See you.